Assalamu Alaikum, friends. Let's play. Ready?
Yes!
Bismillah. Let's count. Wahid, Ithnayn, Thalatha. Now, let's play a game. What comes next? Is it Thalatha?
No!
Ithnayn. Let's jump 2 times. Jump, jump. Good job. Let's try again. What comes next? Wahid?
No!
Let's check. Thalatha. Clap 3 times. Good job. Thalatha. Let's go really fast. What comes next?
Ithnayn.
Good job. What comes next?
Thalatha.
Awesome! You did it! Can you say, I did it? MashaAllah, you are so smart. Do you want to play again?
Yes!
Bismillah, let's play again.